Welcome back to another Sunday Swings. Let's start GBP AUD. GBP AUD, I'm looking for a break and retest below this little area of interest here. On the daily, we have the EMA, this area of interest, the doji right here. Weekly, also EMA. Yeah, I think it looks good. 4 hour, I think I'm looking for something like I'm looking for a break below this and then retest, and then we also have the EMA and then shorts to the downside. GPUSD, pretty much the same. On the weekly, we have the EMA again. We have a bearish engulfing after these two small bullish dojis. 4 hour, we also have the EMA, we have this doji. On the daily, we also have this failed morning star. It's not as clean on the lower time frames as GBP AUD, but I'm looking for something, I guess, along the lines of some break below and then a retest. Also, here's a nice evening star on the 30 minutes. Not that I think it has any real meaning. Yeah, something like this would be nice. Euro NZD, I'm waiting for a break below, retest, and then the move to the downside. We have this bearish engulfing on the daily. It didn't fill this candle, which is sad because then it would have been a nice evening star. Nonetheless, I think it looks great. So this is our area of interest. Move below this area of interest, retest, and then the move to the downside. UGBP is also pretty similar if you look at them. We have this big bearish candle. So now I'm waiting for a retest here to this. I can mark this out. Something like this. You have 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 multiple touches. Then we have the EMA. So something like this. Retest, then the move to the downside. Now the CAD pairs. We have CAD CHF. Looks pretty nice. Nice area of interest. Move above this area of interest, retest, move to the upside. And then all the other CAD pairs are basically the same, just inverse, because this is CAD CHF and now we have Euro CAD. So it switched as a base currency. So here we want a move below this area of interest and then shorts. It has to be very clean though for me to take. AUD CAD I like even more than Euro CAD. Move below. We need a 4 hour candle close below this, otherwise it's probably going to be another wick like the others here. Weekly, goddamn. Weekly could be a wick fill. I think it even is technically bearish. Move up here. I think this is higher, and then the move below. Yeah. All right. Then the JPY pairs. The JPY pairs are also basically all the same trade. I'm just gonna take whatever looks the cleanest. We have this is a bit high risk because we are so high up, but I think it looks nice. We have this double top on the weekly. Big bearish engulfing. So now I'm waiting for a retest and then move to the downside. We have also the EMA when we are up here again. CAD CHF. This is also going to be a head and shoulders if it's going to reach up here. AUD JPY, AUD JPY, CHF JPY and CAD JPY, they both look pretty much the same. And then AUD JPY and NZD JPY, they both look pretty much the same. But all four are basically the same trade. AUD JPY, something like this. Move to the downside below this area of interest. And then the shorts to the downside. If we have this right shoulder here, then it's gonna make a nice head and shoulders. And the same goes for NZD JPY. Then it's going to be a wick fill. I think this is very much possible. Euro USD, I am waiting for something like this, but I'm not going to take this trade this week, I believe. Unless, no, I don't think it's going to be ready this week. And also AUD USD. This looks like it could be a continuation move. We have this head and shoulders pattern. Big bearish engulfing on the last week. Yeah, maybe something like this. I don't think it's very clean on the lower time frames. I wouldn't know where exactly to enter, but I guess this would be my area of interest, and then move up there, and then the move to the downside. But I'm not too sure about it. Yeah, it looks good, but it could be better. I took this trade last week. Problem is that I closed out before NFP news came out, and so I closed out. And short term, this was the right choice, but long term, I should have just held. And from now on, I don't think I will ever let any news influence my trades. Not even NFP, which I thought was the only one that you should respect. But not anymore. No news for me. Yeah, and these are all the trades, the markets. Basically, it's GBP AUD and GBP USD is one idea, then Euro NZD Euro GBP is another idea, then 3 CAD pairs, then 4 JPY pairs, and then AUD USD and Euro USD are also basically the same idea. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next week.